Hello everyone, this is Amarnath. Today, let me help you to understand the myth behind when you should refuel. Is it morning or evening? They say to fill in the morning, but filling in the morning will help you to get a little more fuel because of denser. But the fact is, the fuel stored at the station in the underground will not make any big difference when the temperature rises. So instead of chasing the clock, focus on the tire pressure, because tire pressure gives you better efficiency when the tire rolls. Second, focus on smoother driving experience. And third, focus on better periodic maintenance. This is where exactly the fact behind fuel efficiency. Save from the myth. Share this all with your friends and save them from the myth. Thank you so much. Happy learning, happy selling.